All right, so I've already purchased the Mina exhaust, and what is it? The cold air intake system. We'll be replacing the factory airbox, also the tubing. Pretty much all of that. All of that's going away. Thinking about doing it myself, but I might end up having to take it because I'm not that mechanically inclined. I might have to take it to the shop, but we'll see. I'll do my best. Hey, just right quick, we're at my boy Nelson garage. What's up, Nelson?
What's up?
All right. Yeah, so we're about to be replacing the cold air intake, the tube, and the filters. We got all these parts right here laid out. This is the Mina Gallery intake system, also with the filters. I wish I could have gotten some black filters, but we'll go about that in a minute. Well, not in a minute, but we'll see. I'm in talks with them to see if they got some. But yeah, we're about to get it going here. About to start disconnecting some stuff. Then we're about to start hooking up some stuff, and we're gonna get it. See if it'll record. Go ahead and hit the gas a little bit. Go ahead a little harder. And one more, get it up to about 4,000. Do it again. All right. So we got the intake in. This is the main intake. Hey, go ahead and hit it. Go ahead, stab it. Go ahead. Do it again. Can we get a little closer to it? Do it one more time. That's clean. I like that.
Sounds good.